When I tell you the best things in my life occurred the moment I made the decision to bet on myself, nothing can deny me once I bet on myself. Hello and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Spivey J, and if you're new here, I talk about mindset mastery so that we can transform our lives so that we can get more fulfillment out of this life. So if that interests you, please do subscribe. I would truly appreciate it as we grow this community. It's time for you to bet on yourself. If you don't bet on yourself, all bets will be off the table and the opportunity window will be closed, shut, sealed, and you won't even be able to see it again. Okay, not forever, but for this opportunity, it will be. So there's gonna come a time in your a big adult life where you're gonna have to bet on you. You're gonna have to overcome overthinking. You're gonna have to overcome paralysis analysis. You're gonna have to overcome procrastination. You're gonna have to overcome all of the obstacles that are trying to tell you to not bet on yourself. Betting on yourself isn't blind confidence. It's you choosing to become the evidence that you actually trust yourself. And I'm really big on self-trust because I believe that a lot of us who are creative, people who literally cannot not create, right? You're a creator, you're an entrepreneur, you're someone that came here to add value. You have to have a level of trust within yourself. And when you bet on you, beyond a job, beyond other people, beyond being the number two to someone else's number one, and build that self-trust, there's no stopping you. For one, when you do that, that is going to be first line on your CVS receipt of I can do this, all right? I got myself. And betting on yourself is absolutely powerful because it's you and no one else. So there's no one to judge you. There's no one to take away from you. There's no one to give you anything. It's you in a space by yourself saying, I'm going to put my best foot forward. Now, when you bet on yourself, it's very important that you understand the value of where your awareness should be. It should not be in a dumpster fire of fear, doubt, shame, guilt, past failures, past attempts, someone else's experience. If it is, you're going to be chipping away at what you're trying to build, which is trusting yourself. Your awareness needs to be 100% without a doubt on only the good happening to you. Why would you even think against yourself? Think about that. If you think against yourself when you bet on yourself, that means you're not betting on yourself. That means you're betting against yourself. Think about in the stock market, they call it short. Like when people bet against your company, they are shorting your stocks, meaning that they expect you to fail. And when you do, they're going to win. Why would you do that to yourself? You're not a stock. I'm just giving you an example. Why would you do that to yourself? So don't get past, okay, I'm gonna bet on myself, and then keep your awareness stuck only on what the worst case scenarios are, fear, doubt, and disbelief, all of the things that do not contribute to you actually winning this bet. Now, I'm not into gambling, but if you're gonna gamble, gamble on yourself, gamble on your dream. We don't even know why we're here. We don't even know how long we're here. We don't even know how we really got here outside of like biology, right? So why not make it an amazing time full of things that you are curious about, full of things that you're interested in, full of things that put you at the center. Now, I'm not saying be selfish. Being self-centered and being selfish are two different things. But if everyone just operates in their greatness, right? You operate from a space of I can, mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, I think that's how, if added together, we can create this like utopia. If everyone operates from that like viewpoint, right? But say for instance, you've lived your entire life, you grew up, you were told you wasn't going to amount to anything, and so you adopted that belief, and so that has been the predicate for the timeline of your life. You went to school, you did okay. You did just okay. You graduated, you got your job, you did just okay. You're in an okay relationship, you have okay friendships, you go on okay vacations. Everything in your life is just okay, right? It's average. There's nothing wrong with average, there's nothing wrong with wanting regular. But you, deep down inside, have a feeling, that your life can be better. You have this urge to pursue something greater and beyond what you've ever experienced. You don't need any more examples. You don't need anyone else showing you how they went out and found themselves. They did an eat, pray, love, had an eat, pray, love part of their life where they went to Bali, or you don't need any more examples. You have something deep down inside you that's saying, I want to try this. I don't have the answers. I don't have the knowledge. I don't have anyone as the example of doing it exactly the way I want to do it, but I want to try this. But you have one thing that's trying to pull you back, and that's your whole life experience of you first being programmed to think that you can't do something, and then you executing on that belief by making it a reality throughout your life. And now you've come to a point, you're at an age where you want to deny that being your truth because you know there's something greater inside. How do you override what you've been programmed to believe and that you have reinforced through your actions and your life experiences to be true? How do you completely override that? Well, you are going to have to live in the now and make nothing that happened before matter, all right? When you live in the now, what happened before, the thoughts before, what you believed about yourself before will have to slowly be dismantled and shattered. And the way you dismantle and shatter those things is by removing the programming and putting in a new program. The one where you bet on yourself. The one where you trust yourself. The programming that says, this is my fail-proof plan. If this happens on the busy day, this is how I will reply. This is how I will react. If there's an emergency, this is how I will react. But my goal is to have as many days close to perfect, or, no, life isn't perfect, but as close to perfect as possible. Meaning you execute on, say, 80% of what it is you need to do on your journey of betting on yourself, whatever that means for you. Starting a business, going to weight loss, whatever, betting on yourself in whichever area of your life. When I tell you the best things in my life occurred the moment I made the decision to bet on myself, nothing can deny me once I bet on myself. I didn't have the answers. I didn't know what it was going to turn out to be. And those pivotal moments in my life have been the greatest. I'm talking about adventurous, spontaneous, exciting, memorable. Meeting, opening myself up to new things and new opportunities simply because I made one decision to bet on me. I highly encourage you to tell yourself a new story by acting differently, by taking different actions, despite whatever fear, doubt, disbelief, low confidence, low self-esteem, people in your environment holding you back. The moment you do that, you take the authority in your life. And if you are a creation of the Creator, how could you possibly get it wrong? You can't. You just have been telling yourself you can't and reinforcing that belief, but it's false. It's your ego trying to keep you safe. None of it's safe. The only thing that's safe, the only truth of life is that one day is going to end. And instead of getting old, growing old, and dying before you actually physically die, this video hopefully serves as your reminder to bet on yourself. If no one else bets on you, it should be you. And that's the most important bet. Actually, it's the only bet that actually matters. Because once you bet on yourself, the actions that come after you betting on yourself will all work together and contribute to you living your best life. This isn't about woo-woo. This isn't about closing your eyes blindly and visualizing where you want to be. This is about taking a thought and putting action behind it. Guess what? God helps those who help themselves. In every religion, it says that. In a great book, even if you're not religious, God helps those who help themselves. So this is how you help yourself, by betting on you. All right. I hope this video is a reminder for you to step into your greatness by putting your confidence, by putting your mind on what it is you want and not taking your awareness away. All right. All right, that's all I have for today's video. If you're interested in building more momentum in your life, be sure to click the links down in the description. In the meantime, in between time, my name is the Spy BJ, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. And please do share in the comments, when was the last time you bet on yourself, or are you currently betting on yourself to do something that at once seemed impossible, but you've decided, whether it seems impossible or not, you're going to give it your absolute best effort. I cannot wait to talk to you all down in the comments. All right, you all have a beautiful day. Peace.
You're beautiful. I hope you know that. I hope you know that.
But before I continue, girl, I got this. I need something on my lip. You know what I'm saying? You can't be coming out here ashy. Because once you put a video on YouTube, it's forever. Just kidding.